Hey everyone, here is another video on distributive property at the mile level. This is using the grouping model. In this situation, we're going to focus on the fact that multiply means to repeatedly add. If someone asked me to do 3 times 4, we've learned that that is a more efficient manner of basically taking a 4 and adding 3 of them. And we know that either way we do this, the answer is going to be 12. Okay, so we've taken a group of 4, and we're repeatedly adding, or 3 times. 1 group of 4, 2 groups of 4, 3 groups of 4. If I write 3x, that's really a shortcut for writing 3 times x. Right? There's an invisible multiplication right in the middle between this 3 and the x. What that is asking me to do is to take one x, add it to a second x, add it to a third x. The most efficient way we have of writing that is 3x, as opposed to a more efficient way of 3 times 4 writing 12. If I have this problem, it may look like a bunch of nonsense to you, but to a mathematician it says, hey, take 3 times this group of x plus 4. So I'm still repeating 3 times, but it's this entire group that's getting repeated. Please remember that right in this space is the invisible multiplication. You have to be used to seeing it, even if it isn't there. So again, this says to me, take this group of x plus 4, repeat it 3 times, and add those groups. So if I write that out, I have one group of x plus 4, I add a second group of x plus 4, and then I add a third group of x plus 4. If someone asked me to summarize everything that I have here, I could say, well, I have 3 groups of x plus 4, but I could also rearrange the items, put the like terms together, and I could perhaps condense this to the fact that I have 3 x's plus an extra 12. So this expression that I've just created is equivalent to the expression I started with. If someone said to me, hey, I'm going to give you 5 groups of y minus 6, well, I can write that out the long way. There's one group, and a second, and a third, and a fourth, and a fifth. That took a long time. This is clearly an inefficient way of expressing what I had. This is a little bit better way. If I now combine like terms, I simply get a different way that's also efficient. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 y's. So 5 times y, or 5 y's being added together. I also have minus 6 again, minus 6, minus 6, minus 6. 5 times minus 6 is minus 30. So these two expressions, the one I began with and the one I've created, are equivalent.